In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a standing double crochet, that's UK terms. So bring the tail that you would normally join in to introduce a new colour, bring it into your dominant hand, the hand that's holding the hook. So you've got both the tail and the hook in your hand. You're going to wrap the hook as though you would any stitch, and where you would normally join, insert your hook and draw up a loop. And then yarn over and come through those two loops, and I'm still holding on to this tail throughout, and then you can carry on working your double crochet into each stitch as normal. And when you look at your work, you can see that all the stitches are the same. You don't have a chain to start the round which looks different from the others, and when you work all the way around and come to join, you're going to be joining to a rail stitch. There's the top two loops of the first rail stitch, so there isn't any visible join, and that is going to take away that knot that you usually get when you change colour in the round, and that's often where people would gain and lose stitches. So I hope you give that a go. Just remember to keep the tail and your hook in the same hand to begin with, and that's a new technique for you, so give it a go. Good luck. Bye.